Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video will help you learn English through the topic of cleaning the house. This table is a bit dirty. This table is a bit dirty. The floor looks very dusty. The floor looks very dusty. My room needs cleaning. My room needs cleaning. The bed is messy today. The bed's messy today. The window is not clean. The window is not clean. There is dust on the shelf. There is dust on the shelf. There are clothes on the chair. There are clothes on the chair. There is trash under the table. There is trash under the table. There are books on the floor. There are books on the floor. There is a mess in the room. There is a mess in the room. The desk needs to be organized. The desk needs to be organized. The carpet looks dirty. The carpet looks dirty. The kitchen is very messy. The kitchen is very messy. The bathroom smells bad. The bathroom smells bad. The house looks untidy. The house looks untidy. I clean the room every day. I clean the room every day. I wash the dishes after dinner. I wash the dishes after dinner. I tidy up the kitchen. The kitchen. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I help clean the house. I help clean the house. I help clean the house. I organize the living room. I organize the living room. I clean the house with others. I clean the house with others. I share the housework. I share the housework. I clean the kitchen after meals. I clean the kitchen after meals. I keep everything in order. I keep everything in order. You should clean the room regularly. You should clean the room regularly. You can start with the desk. You can start with the desk. You need to fold the clothes. You need to fold the clothes. You should not leave things everywhere. You should not leave things everywhere. You can clean the floor today. You can clean the floor today. I clean the room every morning. I clean the room every morning. I sweep the floor carefully. I sweep the floor carefully. I wash the dishes quickly. I wash the dishes quickly. I organize the desk neatly. I organize the desk neatly. I take out the trash every day. I take out the trash every day. The table is not clean. The table is not clean. The kitchen is still dirty. The kitchen is still dirty. The house needs cleaning. The house needs cleaning. The floor needs mopping. The floor needs mopping. The room needs cleaning. The room needs cleaning. Let's clean the room together. Let's clean the room together. Let's organize the closet. Let's organize the closet. Let's sweep the floor first. Let's sweep the floor first. Let's tidy up the desk. Let's tidy up the desk. Let's clean the house today. Let's clean the house today. Cleaning the house takes time. Keeping things clean is important. Keeping things clean is important. A clean room feels comfortable. A clean room feels comfortable. A tidy space helps relaxation. A tidy space helps relaxation. A messy room causes stress. A messy room causes stress. The air feels fresh after cleaning. The air feels fresh after cleaning. Everything looks better now. Everything looks better now. The room becomes brighter. The room becomes brighter. The house smells nice. The house smells nice. The floor shines after mopping. The floor shines after mopping. The chair is covered in dust. The chair is covered in dust. The corner is very dirty. The corner is very dirty. The clothes are not folded. The clothes are not folded. The books are out of place. The books are out of place. The room looks much cleaner now. The room looks much cleaner now. Cleaning every day is a good habit. Cleaning every day is a good habit. Doing housework can be relaxing. Doing housework can be relaxing. Organizing things saves time. Organizing things saves time. Throwing away old items is helpful. Throwing away old items is helpful. Putting things back is important. Putting things back is important. A tidy room is easy to manage. A tidy room is easy to manage. A clean house makes life better. A clean house makes life better. A clean space brings a good feeling. A clean space brings a good feeling. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos.